Anyone anyone else a little wondering what the heck Twitch is on about with all of this collaboration stuff? Every time I log into this platform, it's like, hey, did you know other people stream? You should ask him to collab. You should do that. And then I the one that's fucking getting me the most is I have in my dashboard. Let me see if I can pull this up. It says you had no collaborations in the last week, and then it has like a frowny face. Let me. What the fuck is this shit, dude? Look, hang on. Go to the channel here. Yeah, what's up, Lexander? What's up, Pyome? Lumi, Pokepetter. I won't tell anyone you're watching at work. It's okay. Odaiwa, hello. How's everybody? Dude, look at this. Hang on. This is so sick. Look. Collaborations. Bummer. You had 0 collaborations this week. Expand your collaboration network by adding your favorite below. You mean bummer? I mean bummer, no collabor. I know I had no collaborations. I'm the one who has to make that decision, Twitch. The fuck you mean? Oh, no collaborations this week. No, I know I'm me. Like, I understand bummer. Fuck you mean bummer? I don't like to collab. Fuck off. Bummer. Fuck you, buddy. I don't know what's up with that. Anyways, there's my Twitch stats. If you're ever curious how much money I make streaming, it's about $10 a week. So I know. I mean, time to call the tax man, I think. That's we're moving up brackets, I think. So I kind of want to start a new project. I think 1 snack per day money. Basically, yeah. I mean, y'all pay for like the chocolate covered almonds that I buy at the store. Which, like, that's not bad. I'll take that. It does mean that I have less time to play Sun Voltex, so I'm basically trading in Sun Voltex time for chocolate covered almonds. And like in my head, I think that's a fair trade. Yeah, I kind of want to start a new project today. I want to try a challenge, a speed run of sorts, where I've been playing a lot of silksong, and I kind of want to try to make a like roguelike, not roguelike, sorry, like an indie platformer. I've never made one before. I kind of want to try making one, seeing how it goes. So I think what I'm going to do is like sort of game jam style. I'm going to give myself 12 hours to make a platformer. Can I make Christopher Larkin music? Oh, please. Yeah, if you want to contribute music. Yeah. Music, possibly sound effects again. Thank you for your contributions last time. I didn't actually end up using the ones you sent me, huh? To be fair, I was very done with the Gates game at the end of it. I was very much trying to get that out the door, yeah. But I think I want to like do this like time gated thing. I'm not sure if it's 12 hours, 24 hours yet. I guess it depends on how far we get in 12 hours if I want to continue making it more. And I kind of want to make it like Jump King-esque style where it's sort of a Metroidvania, but also like it's basically one scene. You're just going to like climb a tall tower or whatever. I think that'd be kind of cool. Yeah, it's something I want to try. I also want to work on the Idle RPG game though. I'm not sure when that project's going to be. And then we're going to play some Skong too. Don't worry. The Skong is coming. You can't escape the Skong. Yeah. So that's the plan for today. That's what's on the docket, I suppose. Yeah. Let's see something real quick. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, so I don't know which one I want to work on immediately, whether it's going to be well, I said today was going to be like the game dev any percent. I guess today we'll do the indie platformer. I think it's going to be similar to the style that we did last time though, where I'm going to lock in for a bit and then I'll lock out to chat and say whatever. But I think for the first, or for like each hour that I'm actually working on the game, I'm going to be totally quiet, similar to how I was working on the Gates game. There's a plan. I know we're setting ourselves up for failure. The reason that I kind of wanted to do it like this, like with the plan, is remove from this place is I really like the style of doing like game jam games where after a certain amount of time the game is done, because I feel like it like levels up my game dev ability the fastest. And so I think this is a good combination of like a thing that I think would be a good YouTube video and a thing that I think would make me better at doing game dev and a thing that like scratches the itch for a game jam. The not great part is the fact that it isn't for a game jam, which is a bit of a bummer. I mean, I'm sure we could like retrofit it into being a thing for a game jam maybe, but oh, Cobalt, hello. I was watching you play Final Fantasy X for a bit today. I was lurking. Only for like, I swear to God, like 18 seconds. I was at work, so I was not paying attention very much, but thank you for entertaining me. Nice change of pace from Vintage Story. How are you? Welcome in. Yeah, so I think that's what I want to do. I've never played a platformer before, I don't think, unless you count like the Vampire Runner game. I still need to get the other game up on itch at some point too. We'll see. Part of me also wants to like try to code and talk at the same time for some of this. I think I just do so much better during the lock-in stuff. So I think we're gonna lock in and then do like 1 solid hour, and then we'll pause to yap and take a break and all that, and then we'll keep doing that until the game is complete or I run out of time. Hope work was okay. It was okay. I have this thing with work sometimes where like one thing just keeps dragging on forever. I've been working on like one thing at work for, I swear to God, like 2.5 weeks now. Where it's just one thing. And I keep getting like 90% of the way done, and then a new thing pops up and I have to fix that. I'm like, okay. But now I'm 90% done for real, and then another thing pops up and I'm like, I thought this was gonna be done like a week ago, and I'm still working on the same damn thing. I'm being the guy and stand up there like, any updates from you, Sky? I'm like, nothing on my end. God damn it. Yeah. Also, hello. Happy Nora. Welcome in. Frustrating, yeah. Add a timer on the screen. I have a live split I could do. 2-man live? What is that? Downloads SDVX X3, SDVX Gravity War. Gravity War? 2-man live from Gravity Wars? I don't know what that was supposed to be. Had a project that lasted 1+ year when it was initially estimated to be half a year. Yeah, it's one of those moments, like, and I, like an idiot, gave an estimation on the time. I should have said, I have no idea. And now I feel like I'm past that time. You know, it happens. Engineering, it happens. For my terrain system so much, it's actually not at the point that I have a good prototype for actual gameplay. No, I never do that. I never do it either. And it was like a moment of weakness for me. I don't know what came over me, because that's like the worst. That's like the worst thing to do, is to be like, when do you think it'll be done by? And I'm like, this day. Don't ever do that. Never do that. The answer is always the same. The answer is, it depends. That's the only answer you should ever give on a project ever. I do think, like, in my heart of hearts, I could have got this done in like a couple days if I didn't have like meetings and other random admin stuff to do. But there's always meetings and other admin stuff to do. That's why when people say, how long is it going to take? You answer, I don't know. You say, it depends. You say, I'll have to get back to you on that. Because people just want... You cannot give business people an answer on that question, because then if it's not done by then, you seem like they're just going to shoot you with a gun. Give an insane estimate, like it's done by September 2042. I've done that before too, where I said like one project was going to take like a super long time, and they're like, you can't estimate it to be that long. And I was like, okay, then I'll never give you an estimate. Have you done tomorrow? Sky embarking on a 2-year project. Literally, yes, that is how it feels. Very much that. All right, here's live split though. I think the way I can do this is I can hit 1 to start it, and then I can hit 1 to stop it. Yeah. Can I edit the time that's on it though? Server port is not really what I'm going for. Can I change the time that's on the thing? Break it down into milestones and give an estimate for the first milestone, nothing else. I think you shouldn't even do that. I think you should just not give estimates. Or, honestly, think about how long it would take you in your head and multiply. Literally, I'm not even joking. Take how long you think the task will take you and multiply by 2.5. So if you think it's going to take 1 day, say 3 days. And honestly, most of the time, that's still not enough time. And I don't even understand how that's possible. It does piss me off, though, with like game dev. If I think it's going to take me 1 day, I'm almost always 100% correct. You know what that indicates to me? That indicates to me that my estimations are actually always correct. It's just that I have so much extraneous bullshit and like Slack messages to respond to that it takes so much time away that I don't notice, or like derails my thing so much that I then my estimate sucks. Project manager is the worst for that. He wants an estimate ASAP, even if I have not looked at the project. What the fuck? Vague description. It says how much time will this take? I know, dude. And then they put you on the spot, like, oh, just a rough estimate. And I'm like, motherfucker, I know. If I say roughly 3 months, but I don't know, that shit's already on like 14 managers' calendars. And if it's not out in exactly 3 months, despite that being a rough estimate, I don't know, I'm gonna get like crucified. I literally recently I like drafted an architecture on a whiteboard, and my product manager was like, can you just take that and like put it into a documentation and put it on this like Notion document so that we have a reference to the architecture we might want to use just as like a rough idea. And I was literally like, no. Because I know if I put the rough architecture in the Notion document, guess what's the finished final version of the architecture? It's the one I drew on a napkin 5 seconds ago. So I was literally like, no, I'm not going to. I'll take the time to research and build the actual architecture. You're not taking my rough draft. Absolutely not. So I hate Scrum. Let's put a priority on a ticket that will take 2 months and put it into a sprint planning that lasts 2 weeks. Yeah. My favorite description of Agile is that it turns every programmer into a 3. There's like this thing with coding where you rate programmers on a scale of 1 to 10. And what Agile does is it makes every programmer a 3. If you're a 1, you're a 3 now. If you're a 10, you're a 3 now. It doesn't matter who you are. The structure of Agile turns everyone into a 3. Agile means we get things done fast, right? We can promise 2 months for a 1-year project. We love Agile. Agile is not for the developer's sake. It's Agile is purely an optics thing. Waterfall is clearly just a better way to make software. You shouldn't try to get to a product release as quickly as possible. You should try to plan the thing, because like the problem with Agile, like this is the problem. This is the problem with Agile, right? It's like, okay, hello. If this is the graph of like how much stuff you have, and this is time, Agile does this thing where it goes like this. Because when you start out, you like get to you don't plan anything. You just start shipping features, right? You're just like, oh, then we're going to have like, we spin up the database and we get this thing done and we get this. Okay, now we have like the minimum viable product for like this thing. And then when you go to add more stuff, like here, the problem is you're now paying for all the shit you didn't plan earlier because you're just like, get it working, and then we'll like get it working better or whatever, right? Like get it working fast. That's a great philosophy, but not for your entire project plan. Like take the time to plan that shit out, and then you can have waterfall, which looks like this. It's nothing, and then it's a nice even, like everything is planned. You have this going, and I swear to God, the timeline on this, by the way, is like 6 months. So it starts off slower, right? It's actually not even like that. It's more like you're like nothing, and then you have like a release, and then you're like nothing, right? So it's more like this actually, but like you get more because you can plan the entire thing out at once. So when you're building stuff, you're not building stuff fighting the fucking decisions you made literally 3 weeks ago. You're planning everything out, you're documenting everything real nicely, you're doing a big plan, and then you release like one big thing, and that's your big release, and everything's like tested and nice and happy, and then you go back to planning stuff out. Like you be smart about it, instead of this where now you're just like tech debt development hell forever. The problem is if people suck and just do nothing for 6 months, Waterfall doesn't catch it. Everyone's a 3. Everyone's a 3. Agile, everyone's a 3. Gasp paints. Sorry, I can't on that ticket yet. I need to have a meeting before the meeting of the meeting for the ticket so that I can estimate how many estimates the ticket before putting it on a Kanban board with an unachievable bullshit that's coming to my TED Talk. I do think it's insane for sprints the amount of time you spend in like meetings that are about like how much time is carved out of Agile for meetings about Agile. It's extremely funny to me. Okay, every day we're going to spend 15 minutes while everyone like wakes up in the morning, has their coffee. You're going to say your line, but no one's listening to you because they're just thinking about what they're going to say when it's their turn, right? Okay, so that's stand up. Then we're going to have like backlog grooming, which is we're going to go through the same list of like 37 things that we haven't gotten to yet every week. And we're going to go through and be like, okay, have any of this changed? Is it the same 37 things? Yes. Should we reprioritize them? Sure. Why not? It's just on the whim of whatever like business decision we're making, right? Okay, cool. Now we're going to go to sprint planning, where we're going to plan the next 2 weeks of things that we're going to do. And I will say, in sprint planning's defense, I think that might be the only actually real meeting. I think sprint planning, like Agile doesn't work without it. So you know what, sprint planning, you and I, we're chill, okay? But that's the only one. All of that other shit, sprint retrospect. It's been 2 weeks. What the fuck you mean retrospect? It's 2 weeks ago we did this shit. If you want to have like a month retrospective, okay, yeah, what went good or what went bad in the month, but like week to week, it's the same fucking thing, dude. Same to use waterfall, but mark every task with an estimate time to complete in hours. If it takes more than 2 times that, you have to explain yourself. That's such a dark pattern though, because then like in your estimate, you should just double the time. Just double the time. And I legitimately think like when you're estimating, my best teams that I've ever been on, when you like we all come to an agreement on how long we think a task would take, and then you literally multiply by 2.5. Not even 1.5, not even 2, that's not enough. 2.5. 2.5, that's what you need. Otherwise that shit's just not getting done. Work in 2 teams, one just has completely scrapped meetings and daily stand-ups, and it's been a blessing. Other team still uses Scrum. I legitimately think if I didn't do stand-up, I would get like twice as much work done. Because like it's okay, so 1, like it's just a pointless meeting and it takes time out of my day. 2, it makes the start of my day more difficult because instead of just like booting up and like, okay, I'm gonna drink my coffee, I'm gonna like read Slack or whatever, I'm gonna like slowly come to terms with whatever the hell we're doing. It's immediately like, okay, so what was the other person working? Okay, what were they working on? Okay, sure, yeah. Okay, what am I working on? Okay, the same thing that I've been saying for the last 3 weeks. Okay, cool. And then that meeting ends, but sometimes it goes long where we're like, all of a sudden there's like a design discussion happening halfway through the spit stand up, even though that should be like 5 minutes tops. We're gonna, okay, now we got to deal with that thing. And then I'm like thinking about like other people's things that they need to help. I'm like, okay, yeah, sure. And then once all that ends, I can actually start my job or whatever. But like, yeah, it's Agile. Yeah, I hate Agile, dude. I hate Agile so much. How I know what you did yesterday and today that I can just see on the Kanban board? It's true. I mean, you'd have to like read it. That's it. That's what you'd have to do. Yerp. Also, like, I kind of understand the thing with Agile where it's like, it's mostly just to get all the developers to start at the same time, especially like work from home people. Because I'll tell you what, I wake up 10 minutes before Agile every day, or before stand up every day, dude. I'm like rolling out of bed, my hair's all messy. I'm like, what's my name? Who am I? What'd you work on yesterday? What the fuck was yesterday? When was that? Oh, you mean this yesterday? I don't know. Slept? I just woke up. Sorry. Yeah. That's okay. We're not going to do any Agile here. We're going to do regular stuff here. Whew. Damn, I got a bit of a headache. That's a bummer. Okay, we're going to do our best, but if I have to call it early, I apologize. I have got like a random headache out of nowhere. All right, we're going to do the first hour. Like I said earlier, I'm going to be making a game like silksong. I'm going to give myself 12 hours on the clock to do it. We're going to try to make a game. If it's not enough time, then we will simply pretend that I said 24 hours from the start. But I think this will be a nice project. It'll be a good YouTube video, and I've never built a platformer before, and it kind of fills the niche of doing a game jam. So it kind of checks a lot of boxes for me. I really want to give it a shot. I do want to work on the idle RPG as well. Like I said earlier, I don't know when we will get to that, but I'm really itching to work on it. But I think I'm going to be content maxing for a bit. I apologize. Agile is faster. Duh, it's in the name. It's not that complicated. I think it's so dumb. And before I start a game company, first meeting. All right, so we're gonna start Agile this week. Now that I'm in charge, see, I like it. See, it's different now that I'm in charge. All right, where's projects at? Projects. I think I will name it Skysong. What current folder? We're gonna call it Skysong. No, not like that. Not like that. Not like that. Delete. Yeah, get it out of here. Like this. And we're gonna call it Skysong. Skysong TV. Okay. We want compatibility because I can put it on itch that way. Everything good here. Okay. Let's open it up. I'm not counting putting on a GitHub as part of the timer, by the way. I'm gonna do that now before I forget because I forgot last time. Go open my GitHub. I'm not logged in? Question? What? The hell do you mean I'm not logged? I literally am on this website every day. Okay, every day is a bit of a stretch. That sounds like I have no life. I do think if you ever see people with like a full green Git like history, that is not something you should be proud of. I think if you have one commit per day for like 2 years, I think the green I think that the green you need to see more of is grass. It was funnier if I got it on the first. Don't listen. I'm doing my best out here. I almost just read my entire password out loud while I was typing it. That's probably not great. I did say the first 2 letters though. That's a bit of a bummer. The good news is it's like 80 fucking thousand characters long and it's generated by some thing that I haven't used in years. GG. Now people have a bot that just edits the README every day of one of their projects. That's actually kind of sick. Yeah. The bot updating a number inside a personal README. That's kind of sick, actually. A random picture of a cat. I like that. All right, we're going to do a new one. We're going to call this Skysong. Description. Nah, we don't need one. Use visibility, public is fine. Add README. Sure. Create repository. Then I can just pull this, right? I don't actually need to. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. I already have shit. Damn it. Skysong. I always do this wrong, dude. How do I? If I, there's a way to fix this. I have a README that would have acted as the initial commit. So what I need to do is pull the project and then commit all the stuff that's nearby. Okay, that's fine. Code. We're gonna say this. We're gonna say git clone. Oh, it's gonna make it a folder though. So I need to go up one. Okay. Boop. I pasted nothing? Question mark? There we go. All right, well, Godot, this is gonna be painful for you, but I apologize. CD Skysong. Alright, it's just the README. Cool. Now we're gonna go to Godot. And it's gonna say it's gone, dude. That's really funny. We're gonna go up one. Projects. We're gonna go to Skysong. Here, I wanna go up one actually. Can I do it like this where you do Skysong? That's the IRA. Choosing an empty folder is highly recommended. I think it's actually fine. I think we're gonna be just fine. Entire console will be imported as project resources. Yeah, it's just a README. It's fine. Skynight Gray song. I was trying to think of like Hollow Sky. No, like incorrect buzzer noise. Skynight. Incorrect buzzer noise. I kind of fuck with Sky song. Sorry, Team Cherry. Look at that, puts the readme right there. Hashtag the silksong. We got the icon. I think we're ready to go. How do I settings this? Yeah. I want to set the time. How do I set the time? How to set time in live split. Start at specific time. Edit splits, start timer at. Edit splits. Start timer at 00. How do I, oh, so I just need to reset this thing. Settings. How do I, what's my thing for a reset? Reset is numpad 3, okay. There you go, it's been reset. All right, we're gonna go 1 hour. I'm gonna lock in, yeah. Making a game like silksong in 12 hours. Locked in ATM. Yapping at 1 hour mark. Okay. I'll see y'all on the other side. Let's get it.
Don't mind the pain. In the head, it might be somewhat strange. You're not alone. Now you all just break away. Even if it's tough and apart, you know you're still inside my heart. So life is hard. You opened up your head. Wish you were mine, but I totally had desire. I don't know when I see the cat, it went away. I don't know when I see the cat, it I don't know when I see the
the gravity's upside down. There we go. Yo, what's up, man? Do I ever go to sleep? Yeah. It's only 10 p.m. for me right now, man. This gravity, we're on the fucking moon. This gravity's weak as hell. Okay, that's too strong. We need a floor. Yeah, 10 p.m. for me. Observe sunlight and keep going. I wish. It'd be fun. I mean, it must feel so fucking good to just absorb sunlight. It's 8 a.m. there? Jeez. Industry plant. That's such a funny fucking thing to say about that. Nah, but like my dumbass going to the fridge every 5 minutes, plant just like... Okay, I'm full. Like, it's insane. But I'm not locking in. I gotta lock in.
as I fell to the ocean floor, fading light through an open door. I saw myself rise with the water. They thought they could keep me down, hold their breath and watch me drown, but all they did is push me higher. We don't care what they say, we will be here all day. We'll stay until it's over, till the world's out of sight. We will stand, we will fight. It's not over till it's over. Through the nights in the rain, through the time and the pain, we stand, we'll never fall. And then at the end of it all, we will win, we will chant. It's not over till it's over.
What am I what am I doing with this? I just realized I'm really stupid. You can just clamp the vector, little bro. You just clamp it at the end, little bro. The fuck is I don't know what the fuck I was on. Yes, let me right clamp by clamping each individual part of the vector, then recombining the vectors. Yes. I'm a genius. I'm actually the smartest man. Moment of my life. Clamp. Wait, how does this work exactly? On each component. Wait. I might need an example of this. In vector with all components clamped between the components of min and max. So I should be able to do this, right? Like say like minus max horizontal move speed and minus inf, and then I can do. I don't care how fast you're going up and down. And I can say inf. Oh, does that work? Just to like 2. If that works. It works! Let's go! Alright, I give you 200. I was hoping for a little more. I give you 400. Nice. We need the thing where if you're... You can snap back, like the direction changes automatically. Means you don't... You want to do this. But if... Is velocity not That's not right. What the fuck happened? Did I assign it somewhere? No shot velocity is afloat. That's incorrect. What the fuck? Yo, what's up, Gotcha? Having an ability to instantly snap to geometry in any cardinal direction with a long cooldown would be dope in a platformer. Snap to geometry? Like, snap from where you are to a wall? Like sticky, like a magnet? What kind of character you plan to make? I'm gonna do what I normally do with game devs, where I just start doing the code and then eventually an artist pops into chat and is like, hey, do you want me to make game assets for your games? And I'm like, yeah, if you want to. See Rasati, see TX Pang, see, yeah. Until then, I'll be using the Godot icon. I might also put in my own character, which I think would be kind of funny. Get velocity return? 100% it returns a vector. Yeah, it's 100% it returns a vector. X on type float. I don't know what you think is happening, but movement direction equals this. Result velocity. Oh, there it is. Found it. Yep. I set it to equal 0 somewhere. Nope. Okay, wasn't it? X on type of movement direction. Oh, yeah. There you go. Okay, one of these is wrong. I think it's this one. I need types and variables. Oh, you. Oh my god, that feels so much better. Alright, so how do I do it the other way? If this is not like this, then I'm gonna say elif. Oh no, this can just be else. I agree that typing is nice, but for like primitives, I don't really see the use case. There we go. Oh, that's real snappy. I think in the air you should be able to do whatever you want. In the ground you should have like some. You should be able to like you have to turn around on the ground. Well, I don't know if it feels real snappy though. I want to do a dash now.
New perspective gain.
I'm not looking at YouTube chat, am I? I am. I'm just a little locked in.
And when I do come back, I'm stronger than ever before. So kneel down, whisper in a peace. Look into my eyes. Then tell me the things you love about behind my back. Infinitely, my heart is hard to break down.
Oh, that's a very powerful dash. Oh.
日々はなぜかつまずいては見えた光少しずつ広がっていく景色をゆっくり進もう真昼の月見上げて明日を誓う色とる街と今の心で呆れると寂しさは消えていた遠く傾いたいつかの地図の中新しい色へ道を書き出していくこの空をまたいつでも思い出すために る花びら見つめていた柔らかい風に乗せて伝える願い事はどこまで飛んでいけるかそっと祈る嘆いて投げりだった過去もなくすことなく歩いていけるように嘘のない道を歩き続けていきたい彩る街と今の心で呆れるほど寂しさは消えていた遠く遠く傾いたいつかの地図の中新しい色で道を描き足してくこの空をまたいつで
How
も
do I do this? I only want to apply movement if it's going to... If the applied movement is less than the max speed of the character. If you're going really fast, I don't need to clamp you, but I'm not going to add movement to you. So I can only add movement if the result velocity is less than the movement you want to add. But then I can't clamp. But I can't just clamp this velocity either. I can't clamp the movement either. So I need to say if the horizontal movement is greater than the result velocity, you can add the velocity. If the horizontal movement is less than the result velocity, you can't add anymore. It's already above where it's allowed to be. Okay, so let's say right now you have no velocity. So you're at 0, 0. And I want to move you to the right. So I want to apply 100 velocity to move for you to move to the right. This is larger, so it's allowed to be applied. Okay. Let's say your horizontal velocity, you just dashed your horizontal velocity is 5,000. And I want to say I want to add 100 to that. It's literally just if this is too big, I'm not allowed. Apply force to the scene, the character doesn't move, everything else does. You laugh, but that's like how most racing game works. This is greater than the... Because this is the resulting velocity. So if this is larger than your current velocity, don't do anything. So for example, if we're moving to the right, if horizontal movements x is less than the result velocity dot x, and they're both greater than 0. So hang on. If it's greater than 0 and result velocity is greater than 0, in other words, they're both moving to the right. If horizontal movements... Is this a vector? See, now I should be using the vectors, huh? Horizontal movement returns a result vector. So if this dot x is less than result velocity dot x, we just return result velocity. We do that. Okay, in the other case, if horizontal movement is less than 0 and result velocity is less than 0, this needs to be dot x, by the way. If they're both less than 0, and then if horizontal movement dot x is less than result velocity.x. We return result velocity. And then what we do is we clamp this one. So the horizontal output gets clamped, not the overall. Ah, dude. Yeah. The timing? Wait, what? Huh? Did something cool happen? Okay. So we're gonna say in handle horizontal, I'm gonna clamp right at the end. So I'm gonna say. That's how they farm Viltron Insanity. I knew the computers were listening. Clamp. Something weird is happening. What? I'm like slingshotting. Hold on. That's meant to happen. Something's what's is the jump? Oh my god. See ya. Something's like getting added. It's adding to itself somewhere. And this, things added together. It's not clamping correctly. No, it's if this is greater than, you're not allowed to apply more force. There's a force limit. What have I done? Oh no. If I just return this, what happens? I need to walk through this code. Okay, horizontal movement. This gives me a vector of where I want to be pointing at, right? And this was working just fine. Yes. This clamp, I'm worried about this clamp. Minus. Should be okay. Okay, so this is nothing, which is perfect. I'm holding right. Result velocity is to the right, which makes a lot of sense. Still to the right, okay. So if I go back to the game now. What's happening? I can't move at all. Okay, so now we're not applying it at all. Okay. If I just did this, then it should just let us move like normal style. We can't move at all. Okay, interesting. So I have these wrong. Self velocity equals this. I'm curious what this is. I'm holding right, the game starts. I have a horizontal movement. I have a result velocity of only y. The x is getting messed up somewhere. Clamp here. This is correct. Result velocity x is this. Actually, this can even be 0. Is it the clamp minus plus? No. Alright, let's delete this for a moment. We don't need this anymore. Still nothing. My stick is dead, dude. Return this. Result velocity. This just returns. This literally does nothing. So I'm gonna comment it out just in case this is what's breaking. Try again. No movement. Why no movement? Horizontal movement is this thing. Oh, we're never adding it to. Oh, I understand. I understand it now. Okay, now it should move us. Now it should move us. I mean, it moves us. So now I want to clamp. That way you can't go infinity mode. You're still kind of, you're low key still going infinity mode. So if I did this and I just said, if I did this, then we would get clamped correctly, right? Okay, now we're clamped correctly. Okay. So, this is the horizontal velocity. Okay, now what we need to do, this is clamped correctly, meaning that wait. This is our horizontal movement. Now we need to do this bit where we only add them together in certain circumstances. Literally right there. What are you talking about? Oh, horizontal. Okay, yeah, horizontal velocity. I should rename this to be player velocity. Whatever, it's not that important. Result velocity here. We're gonna add these. No, because this wants it to be equal to, and I'm passing in the result velocity. We should actually just do it in the thing. We don't need to be doing all of this. This is silly. We don't clamp here, but we do say we only are allowed to do this if. Yeah. We don't even need to. I mean, we don't even really need to do this. We just say if result velocity dot x is greater than max horizontal move speed, or result velocity dot y is less than minus max horizontal move speed, we just say return result velocity. And then we can do this bit. So if movement direction, result velocity, and okay, this takes care of our position switch. Then we're saying if it's already too high x, or if it's already too small, just return this. Which does mean that if we get to our top speed, we're not allowed to like turn the character around anymore. It's not working still. I also need to add like deceleration. I put a Y on horizontal movement. Oops. Yeah, no, that's correct. So now we have a max speed. And if I dash, dashing doesn't like work at all now. Why does dashing not work? This is bigger than this or less than this. Oh, also we can't like slow down, but that's okay. Wait, so we have the dash. Why doesn't the dash go off now? Can you jump in there? You can right now, yeah. I'll restrict it at some point. Apply dash. Is it getting clamped here? No, that doesn't make any sense, because dash should just make it higher than this thing. Let's see if this is like actually returning over. Yeah, okay, so it still caps our max move speed. Why doesn't dash work now? Pressing the button. Is it going off? See? Yeah. Okay. And then is it going to here? What is the result velocity then? It's probably correct for exactly 1 frame. Oh no, it's just a hella small. Wait. Let's do 20,000 then, shall we? There we go. Hey, it kind of works. We could give it a little bit more oomph, but now it has like the deceleration at least. Or like it doesn't. Yeah. Okay, that works. That works. Honestly, it needs to be even beefier though. Is the thing. Also, we need deceleration. Okay, that's a bit much. Let's try that much. And then we say if you're not in the dash anymore after that amount of time, then we clamp it. Is that not the same thing I was just doing though? I'm stupid. Wait, yeah, you just use the state on the clamp. Hey. Is that the way you want to do it? You still need this, obviously, but also you do need a clamp as well. You actually still need this. If state equals state dot dashing. If not, sorry. Then you do the clamp. Equals result velocity dot clamp. Vector 2, we're gonna say minus max horizontal move speed, max inf. This, comma, vector 2, max horizontal move speed, INF, like that. So now it will clamp after the dash is done. There we go, look at that! Yeah, dude! The dash cooldown is way too long though. I want to like be dashing. Just say 0.5. All right, we have right, we have left, we have dash, we have the midair turnaround. We should also on a turnaround give you a little extra juice, so that way you have like turnaround acceleration. That way it feels a lot more like snappy. So here, we're actually gonna give you a little bit of a boost. We're gonna say that this is actually like 10. Diagonal dashing? Listen, you. I think that's how I want to do it. Is that? I'm gonna make it really exaggerate. If that feels. Okay, well, it's backwards, so that's a bit of a problem. Give you like a little boost on turnaround. Yeah, dude! That feels so much better. We making silksong or Celeste? I'm making silksong. That acceleration feels so good. It's so much more responsive now. It almost feels like a mini dash. Kind of sick, actually. You have like the fast fall. I'm not sold on the fast fall. I think it's a little weird. Yeah, you technically have a diagonal dash if you want it. Also, you need to have like some lockout. Magic numbers. Yeah. I'm just testing. Whoa, what was that? Wait. Did I like break it or something? Oh, you can wave dash. I guess the dash shouldn't just be right or left. It should take into account. I think dashing should also reset your momentum. I think your horizontal momentum should not be changed when you're dashing. Yeah, wait, what was that? Did you see that? There's a bug. It's funny. You have to like, it's frame perfect, but I think there's a bit of a frame, like a bug. If you flick the stick at the same time you dash, it bugs out. Zoop! I don't know where the fuck I am right now. The feature, true. Okay, pause the timer. That's 1 solid hour of coding. Look at that. We got some movement. This is after 1 hour. We got a little guy. It's a little buggy, but we got a little guy. You can dash. You got a double jump, triple jump, quadruple jump. It doesn't check if you have a jump. You have infinite jumps because I just haven't checked it yet. You got a dash with like a nice little cooldown. Gives you a nice boost of Okay, we have to fix that. I don't know what's going on there. I think it's like... No, what is happening here? It's applying the dash times delta? Sure. Next build coyote time? I mean, we need platforms. We gotta crawl before we walk, before we run. If you're playing it normally, it doesn't really bug out. But yeah, I guess there's a certain situation where you can flick the stick when you're dashing. Yeah. I don't know what causes that, but we need to fix that before the final version, because otherwise people are gonna kill themselves on it. Yeah, sweet. All right. Why are we doing dash times delta if it shouldn't be based on frame rate? What do you mean? It needs to be based on the frame rate. Otherwise, you could have several frames where you're like holding. I guess maybe. I don't know. Does that fix it? We need delta. Or we could just pin this down a bunch, or like 200. I mean, you still have the same, but yeah, you still have the same. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, it's not frame rate, it's physics process a little bit different. Okay, let me turn it down a little bit. Cool, alright, so, yeah, we did the movement. Now, I think what's next is, we gotta fix the dash bug at some point, but I don't know when I'm gonna get to that. We need to, I guess I'll get to it when it becomes an actual problem in game. I think next, yeah, is platforms. So we need some stuff to be able to jump around on. We need to change a lot of the physics with like the jumping and stuff too. We need to do attacking as well. Are we playing a one-time force, not a constant one? It's a one-time force. Yeah. One-time force. What was I saying? Oh yeah, we need to do platforms, we need to do enemies, and I want to try to get like a boss at some point too. So we'll need like a health bar. We need a player health bar as well, actually, now that I think about it. We have a collision shape already, but we're going to need extra stuff for... I don't want to just overload the one collision layer on the player. I'm probably going to add separate area 2Ds on the player for like hitboxes and stuff. Yeah. In process, yes, physics process is flat 60. Yeah. That's exactly. Yep. Correct. Gotcha. Yeah. Pretty good progress so far. Anything else that I can think of to make the movement a little bit more snappy? The acceleration burst makes it fucking... The dash thing. What's going on with the dash thing? I think it's something with the result velocity, and if it's... Because it's not getting... It can't be getting applied more than once. Because as soon as you click the dash, it only applies one time, because it goes on cooldown. And it's action just press, so it can only count one time. So then it's adding to the result velocity the dash, and I think if you flick the stick, it's going to be. I mean, it just goes on the movement direction. So I guess it's if result velocity from this thing. Oh, because it gets when you turn around, it gets a little burst. So I think maybe it's taking this on the frame, because this doesn't get clamped yet. And adding a whole lot to it because of the dash. Oh, it's this that's what's doing it. Yeah, this acceleration, this actually should just be times delta. Hang on. What did I just do? I reset the timer. Wait, what was the timer at? What was the timer at? It was 108, I think. I thought that would start it again. It's, 108. that. Can I do that? Yeah. Okay, cool. That works. How do I resume the timer? Settings. What is resume? Pause is no. Oh, I did stop split. I need this to be pause. Start is 1. So pause. Let's do 2. We're not using skip split anyways, so there you go. So if I do 2, so if I do 1 and then I can do 2 to pause. Yeah, that didn't do shit, brother. Wait, what the fuck? Skip split. I'm gonna hotkey that to insert because I don't really think I use that button ever. So now if I do 2, I can pause. Okay, there we go. There's 108.05. Thank you, Regenki. Edit splits. 108.05. Yeah. Oh, and I guess, and I'm not counting the milliseconds. So now I can do this, and I can say this times delta. And I can say this times delta. And now it won't be literally 10 million or whatever. The acceleration feels weak, but now you can't do the snap thing. I guess we could just check the state if it's dashing or not. Is the mace also a bug? Wait, what do you mean, the mace? Oh, that feels real. Oh, if you can like do the turnaround dash. Wait, turnaround dash actually is super sick. Okay, I'm actually just gonna keep that in. That's cool. All right, cool. Pause. Pause. Yeah, there you go. Hollow Knight universe is a bug-sized universe. Knight using a nail and Hornet using the needle. I think that's actually so sick, dude. I don't know if you've seen the silksong like map, but that shit is like massive, brother. And it's like, I love when like just like the app does storytelling. It's really cool to me. I don't know. I love like environmental storytelling. That's one of the reasons I think like that's the only reason I could like grit my teeth and bear Made in Abyss, which I still the first time I heard it thought it was a show about like a maid as in someone like cleans your house or something. But anyways, like the show's kind of awful, but the environment is like holy shit, dude. Oh my god, the world building, holy shit. And then like they're watching like a 7-year-old kid puke blood or whatever. And I'm like, I'm not really in for that part, but the world building is fantastic. What are the rules on the game dev speedrun? Are you able to brainstorm when the timer is paused and have to resume only when coding testing? I think since I'm making the rules, yeah, basically. I'm gonna say like the coding I have to resume the split, but also like I'm just making it into a YouTube video, so it's not gonna be like a perfect one-to-one representation of what's going on. It's more just like breakpoints for the hour that I'm working on, I guess. Yeah. It's about like TriJam. It's similar actually, yeah. Your time will not be allowed on the board. Speedrun live category for create silksong any percent. What was I talking about here? Oh, this is the velocity thing. Yeah. I've been thinking about like trying to farm more content for YouTube Shorts, and I realize the power that, because like if we're looking at like pirate software, because that's the model I'm trying to follow or whatever, I realized that guy gets paid money to answer questions. Like the only reason you get the text to speech is when someone pays you money. He's actually a genius. Because here's the thing about streaming. Once you have any amount of chat, you no longer have to be funny ever. Because you just repeat what people say in chat. Because there's like 100 of you and y'all are way funnier than I'll ever try to be. So I just say what you said and then I say it like I'm the one that said it. And then I sound like the funniest guy ever. Don't model the second half of his career? Yeah, ooh, ah. Ooh. Kind of a crazy fall-off. Just do a YouTube short dunking on Nintendo. I'll DM you what I mean. I mean, they already did the Pal World stuff, which like, come on, man. I don't know. It's hard to be too mad at Nintendo though, because they're kind of the only one that like is keeping up. Don't react to the AI generated Toho gameplay by Sora 2. Nah, but I will play some Dementia Minecraft. Dementia Minecraft. Did they take it down? AI Minecraft. Obviously, the model that Doug uses for text-to-speech donations. Who is Doug? I keep hearing his name all the time. I have no idea who that man is. Adventure Craft. Oasis. Yeah, Oasis Minecraft. You never seen Dementia Minecraft before? This is Dementia Minecraft. Yeah, I'm gonna start at the village outpost. I'm gonna go to the village outpost, dude. I'm in the village outpost. I'm gonna say I'm gonna wait for my turn. I'm waiting. I'm gonna go to the mountain meadow. I'm gonna play some Minecraft in the mountain meadow. Yeah, let's see what we're working with here in the mountain meadow. Okay, we're in the mountain meadow here. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. Oh, let's start moving around. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and jump up here. Oh, and there's some like mountains off in the distance. Oh, look at that! Look at that nice little mountain range. That's so nice. That's so nice. I'm gonna look down though because I want to roll a new one. I'm gonna look back up. Oh, okay. We're in the water now. This is pretty cool. There's a lake over here. There's some stuff. Oh, there's another mountain over there. I'm gonna take just a quick look at the water though, real quick. I think I'm gonna go for a little bit of a swim here. Let me just look down into the bit. Oh, what a nice cave. Oh, are we still underwater? Nope. We're back at the surface now. That's pretty neat. Okay, let's go down. I have a wooden. I have a wooden something. I actually have no idea what's in my hand right now. Oh, that looks interesting. What's that water going on over there? Let's do that. Try swimming. I did, and then I teleported into a dimension where water doesn't exist or whatever. So that was kind of interesting. Let's go ahead and jump into this big old lake here because seems kind of interesting. I'm gonna go ahead and go underwater. Oh, it's ice. My bad. I was trying to swim under ice. That's oopsies. That's my mistake. Oh, there's some more ice there. Okay. I would like to get to the water now if I could. I think that would be kind of cool. I would like to get to the water part. I would like to jump into the water part of the world. I'm going to try to move towards the water. We're almost there. We're almost there. Oh, we're in the water. I saw the sploosh. Okay. Oh, nope, we're not in the water. Okay, let's try again. I'm going to try to get into the water. Okay, that time I made it into the water, right? Nope. Okay, we're almost there. We're going to make it. We're going to be okay. One more try. Try to go swimming. Trying to get into that water. Oh, I'm falling towards the ocean. Oh, I'm under. Oh, nope. It's okay. Okay. Well, I'm gonna hit the ocean floor eventually. Yep. Okay. Okay. I've seemed to have. Oh, nope. Okay. Just kidding. We're okay. We're over here now in the stony. Oh, I'm in a cave now. Nope. Nope. I'm at the surface. I'm gonna look down. I'm gonna re-roll. Okay, that's pretty. I'm gonna re-roll one more time actually. There we go. Oh, there's a lot of coal over here. Let me get that with my pickaxe. My stone. What is that? A stone. Wooden pickaxe is what my stone pickaxe is called. Oh my god, I'm summoning we're in the fucking dark dimension. Y'all? Wait. I've never seen this happen before. Oh! A torch! Torches! Yeah, dude, torches! Yeah. And lava. Can I jump in the lava? And this lava doesn't give a fuck about me. What the hell? Oh oh no, good lord. Oh, it's a whole cave full of lava. That's not great. That's not great news. Oh, I brought it up to the surface. Oh, I'm so sorry, everybody. I didn't mean to drown the world in lava. Oh, this is horrendous. Oh no, oh my god, it's all on fire. Holy shit. Well, I've accidentally brought in the apocalypse. My bad, everybody. That's on me. I didn't mean to do that. That's whoopsies. All right, just having a bout of the end of the world. Yeah, that's Dementia Minecraft. There you go. I am also slowly losing my health, which is interesting. Oh yeah, look at that. I'm about to be out of health. I'm standing in the lava. They hate that. Is there another? Well, there's the honey dimension, if that's what you're looking for. Were you looking for the honey dimension? Because that's where I am now. Everything's just made out of honey. I'm going to re-roll the honey dimension real quick. Oh, it's all honey. It's all, that's resin? Wait, for real? Let me mine it. Nope, wrong, idiot. It's 69 stacks of wheat. And by wheat, I mean white carpet, I think, possibly. It's hard to tell at this point, but I do have some sugar cane. I think. Nope. It's DeBoer, I think. I'm gonna try planting that. Nope, it's a flower. Wait, can you just plant anything? Wait, hold up. Yeah, wait. I'm gonna plant an apple. I planted it, and I don't know what the hell just happened there. Oh, my apple turned into a flower. That's lovely. I'm gonna, yep. I'm just gonna keep planting hay bales, I guess, with my apple. What is this? It's a torch. Oh, it's a torch. I can play. Well, okay, that's a bit concerning. My torch turned into flowers, but that's. I mean, hey, we could all take a page out of that book, you know. That's Dimension Minecraft. Hope you enjoyed. Very interesting version of Minecraft there. Causing the rapture. I'm sorry. My apology. I didn't mean to. Jeez. Fantastic. Thank you. Sent it to Toho AI generation in general. I'm trying not to leak my Discord again because I did that last time. Okay, we're safe. In general, you say. This is an AI trying to play Toho? What is the dog? What's the dog doing? This is an AI playing Toho? Or is this an AI that like created Toho? I kind of like I hate to be this guy. Hear the sound? I don't know if I want to. I'll do it for you, but this is a personal project. Raytem, your remember projects. Raymu.
Your projects.
When day is sad, please remember happy day. Here's the thing. Whenever I see AI generated whatever these days, it's literally entirely a wash on me. Like, I literally do not care at all anymore. If I see AI generated in literally anything that's posted on the internet, I kind of just go, cool, you're part of the problem, and then I move on with my life. Because, like, there's no novelty left at all. I think as soon as I saw the second copy of, like, AI writes Harry Potter, I was like, cool, I've been to the mountaintop. I've seen all that AI-generated content can give me. And then it turns out that, like, the thing that was, like, sort of the field I liked studying is now the hottest topic of all time, and that AI is, like, slowly taking over the world and propping up the entire U.S. economy. And so that feels a little weird. Raymu, Romamber, projects. I mean, they're just doing it's okay. Look. When day is dark, please remember. Look. The AI is just imitating life. Because this... Please remember that when you feel scare or frigten, never forget to times when you feel happy. When day is dark, always remember happy day. See? That's just like Toho. That's just like Toho 101. You know, you're part of the problem? Oh, 100%. But the thing is, like, being part of the problem helps pay my rent. So there is, like, a bit of a thing going on there, you know? It's probably just as transphobic as Rowling. True. Look at media in Discord. All right, small moratorium on check the thing in Discord, because it's not that I don't trust all of you. It's just that literally any of you could ruin my entire life. So no more check the Discord. I like the meme, but no more check the Discord. I will not check the Discord, no matter what. I don't care who it could be Rasati being like, here's the art I delivered. I would check the Discord for that. Actually, I'd go back on it. But literally, no, Pyum, you don't understand. You don't understand. You don't have to be the one to plant a bomb. You know what I'm saying? You're the one bringing me into the school where there could be a bomb threat. You see where like, if I go to look at the Discord, and then all of a sudden, right before I go to look, someone just posts like 37 GIFs of like horrendous thing I'm not allowed to show on stream. It's not your fault that someone else was able to sneak a bomb onto the plane. You know what I'm saying? Like, you were just going through TSA all normal. Like, the problem is that I didn't trust the people around you. Check Tumblr? Not unless they turn it back green, brother. Checking your walls? Fuck. Can you run this the whip? Yeah, I can show you just like what it looks like. We got this up. We've coded for an hour. We have schmovement. Society, so true. We got some schmovement. You can dash. I think when you're dashing, I should just say like no input, because otherwise you can cut the dash short or something. Did you miss it? Not really. We've just been we programmed for an hour, now we're just talking. Check up on the people living in your walls. I think they're hungry. It's okay. I mean, that's what they're. I mean, they can eat the cotton candy. Show them the funny glitch. I don't think it works anymore. I think I patched it. But I am the developer, so like if you want to see a funny glitch, here's what I can do for you. I can just say the jump velocity times 1,000,000. And then I could be like, we're just playing the game, having a good time. Fucking see ya. Wait, that was actually too fast. Let me redo the bit. I'm the game developer. If I want, I can break my own game. I can just be here and then like see it. It's so fast. Let me do times 10. My bad. I'm trying to do a bit here if you could work with me. There we go. That's much better. He will come back down, by the way, at some point. He will. Just wait for it. See? There he is. I have a prototype if you want my terrible art sprites. Did you put it somewhere? You can send it to me in a DM, Ruby. Infinitely funnier with it just disappearing. True. Here, I got you. I'm moving to the left now. So now he won't come back down. True. Yeah, when I make the short for this one, I'll do the first time when it just zoops off the page. Yeah. Problem is I wasn't talking. Hover over my screen share for a preview. Okay, but I feel like the previous instructions are not being followed. No. I'm not getting into the Discord for that. Yeah. No, don't show and stream. Yeah, okay. Tell him to check the Discord. I'm going to crash the fuck out. Did I your second screen? I can look at it. It looks cute from here. I can see like the preview and the resolution. The little bug. I like the little bug. It's a cute little bug, Ruby. Ruby, you're kind of cracked, actually. I like his little hat, too. It's very cute. Can you share your IP real fast? It's very important. I mean, that shit gets cycled by my ISP like every 3 seconds anyways. It's probably fine. Probably all good. Plus, we kind of like have the public server IP low-key leaked the entire time we've been running it, so it's all good. 19.225.182. Idiot, you just leaked your IP. 192.168.1.1. Amateur. Not renting a static IPv4. I did, but they're kind of expensive, man. Mainly because like there's only so many of them, and like we ran out like 50 years ago at this point. Don't worry though, IPv6 adoption is like right around the corner, guys. It's like right around the corner. It's almost here. It's almost here. My IP is 127.00.1. Okay, you want to know something that pissed me the fuck off for the longest time? Okay, so I own the domain, and I've owned the domain for a very long time. I've owned the domain skygray.dev. I own this. This is my domain, right? And it's cool. Look at this. It's got a .dev at the end. That's so sick, right? Right? Okay. Let's say you're on a MacBook and you want to go to a .dev domain. Do you know what happens if you try to go to a .dev domain on a Mac? It shoots you to 127.0.0.1. It's hard coded into the operating system that if there is a .dev domain, it goes to local. Why the fuck would it do that? Why would it go to local? I lost like 3 weeks of my life to this bug. This feature. I lost so much time to this feature. I was going to crash the fuck out. It took me so much Googling to figure out why every other computer that I own could go to my domain and update my website except my MacBook, the one that I use like the most when I go to coffee shops or whatever, when I wanted to code my website. Every other device that I own, including my fucking iPhone, which, by the way, same thing. Yeah, so this is the thing on Mac. I think that it actually doesn't work like this anymore. But like, what a fucking... This does fuel my theory that I think like 90% of software just doesn't work. I think there's so much of this shit going around that like the fact that any software works ever at any point in time is a miracle. more I learn about Macs, the less I understand why so many people buy them. Yeah, I liked my MacBook. I'm kind of less high on it now, I think. I liked my Mac. I liked my like 2019. Was it like my 2020 or 2021 MacBook? A lot. It was light. It had a good battery life. Mac was easier to use than Linux at the time. Because like you get all of the, like you can code in Bash on a MacBook and it just kind of runs everything, but you don't have to deal with the fact that like you can log into Linux one day and all of a sudden your fucking Wi-Fi drivers don't work because it's Tuesday. Who in the right mind decided that zip TLD is a good idea? There's so many funny TLDs, dude. It's so funny. Don't use Apple products. I'm kind of on that train now. The problem is like I don't want an Android phone because those things are just cheeks now. iPhone I think is the better of the two at the moment. Though honestly, bro, I'm kind of leaning towards getting a dumb phone next. Not even a hypothesis or theory, Sky. If you decide to look at website errors, you realize that 99% have an entire sections that just don't work. Oh, 100%, like 100%. Like literally every website you go to is broken in ways that like you don't even understand, and the developers that make the website don't even understand. It's just that no one's done it yet, so it's fine. But I'm pretty sure there's like certain places in Facebook that if you hit a certain link in a certain way, like you'll just take down half their like fucking web server. I know it. I know that that's true. 600 warnings and 300 plus errors on YouTube alone. It's actually so funny that like how much just random tech, like not tech debt, but like broken code, et cetera, that just hangs around. And like we just accept it because if it works enough, it's fine. Do you like Windows more or Mac OS more? That's a tough question nowadays because like I think I would actually say I like Mac more than Windows. I think Windows 10 mogs every Mac operating system, like just as a blanket statement. However, it's pissing me the fuck off that they're like, you have to go to Windows 11. Motherfuckers, that's what you said about Windows 10. You said Windows 10 is the last Windows, that we're going to stay on Windows 10 forever. This is the last time you have to upgrade. Lo and behold, 3 fucking years later, they're like, oh, did we say that? Ooh, oopsies. No, that was a different guy, actually. He doesn't work here anymore. We got a new CEO, and actually, he's a big fan of the number 11. He likes 11 a lot. We're going to move to 11. Oh, what's 11? Oh, it's the same fucking operating system, except now it has like 300 times more spyware on it. Oh, cool. Yeah, I'm glad. I'm glad we're doing this. That's very cool. Yes, good, Microsoft. Yes. Yeah. It's really funny that the website that validates your webpage having no errors and gives you a badge, their webpage has 100 errors on it. Yeah, exactly. Just pranking. Yeah, just a funny little prank where we said Windows 10 was the last one. Oopsies. Haha. Because, like, okay, here's the thing. The Windows 11 upgrade is free. Windows, how's that possible? How's it possible that the new one is free? What's that thing about if it's free, who's the product? If it's free, oh, I'm the product. By the way, it is not lost on me that Windows 10 already has so much fucking spyware and built-in telemetry bullshit in it. Look, watch this. Oh, I actually disabled it, huh? Let me go to settings real quick. First of all, local account, fuck you. Yeah, sign into your Microsoft account. I'd rather die, thanks. Where's like the start menu? Oh, they're not happy with me. Attention needed. Nah. It's all good. Oh, look at this. Windows 11 version 24H2 is ready, and it's free. A new look, new features, enhanced security. I feel like you're missing something. I feel like you're not telling me the whole story on this. I feel like there's something a little bit going on. Attention horror operating system. Enroll in extended security upgrades to help you keep your device. I'm actually going to do that, actually. It ends in October 2025. How easy is this to do? Is this easy to do? Get extended security. You just hit next? Is it literally this easy? Well, I'm not doing that. All right, I'm just running base 10. That's fine. I just wish I could do whatever I want on my PC without anyone telling me to do anything or give them my information. I honestly, Viridian, this is gonna sound fucking crazy. I'm actually more mad about the first part. I would almost be like, if you need to spy on me a little bit to like make your money or whatever, so long as you let me super user my machine, we kind of see eye to eye actually, because like I can take care of that myself. You know what I mean? But if you do, but if you remove super user, like if it's the death at super user, fuck you. You think you own my PC? Newsflash, motherfucker. I own that box. It's my box. You don't own the shit that's on that box. It's my box. Get the fuck off of it. But if you let me do what I want, and then you need to slip in like, oh hey, by the way, we're just gonna collect some data, not on you personally. We'll anonymize it. I'm like, all right, you know what? We're chilling. I'm fine with that. If you want to put me into like a big group with other people, but people who have Sound Voltex installed on their computer or whatever, honestly, I'll give it up. If that's the price I have to pay, I'm cool with that. Pretty sure that extended security update feature is only available for Europeans now. That's fine. I can like VPN. Older I get, the more I turn into the developer that owns a laptop with only a wired connection, a dumb printer, and a gun. Shogun, I legit think this is my last smartphone. I think this brick is actually the source of all the problems in my life. I think my next phone will be a phone. I'm getting like a fucking I'm getting this phone. Motorola Razr. I think this might legit be my next phone. I think it's gonna be one of these motherfuckers. I'm getting a flip phone, dude. Yeah, I think I'm getting one of these. I straight up. It's crazy. I actually think my phone is the problem. Also thinking about Papos after Windows 10, just trying to figure out Cosmic DE. If any, you're speaking in terms I ain't never even heard of. You are super user. A jitterbug. Love to use it. I love to get a dumb phone. However, TOTP and messaging services are a requirement for me. The only reason I still have this thing is you can't. I'm holding up my phone. You can't see that. The only reason I still have my like iPhone is Maps is mission critical to me. Like I cannot get around without Maps in Tokyo. I mean, I know like the places I go regularly, but like if it's something else, I'm not gonna buy a fucking timetable for the train schedule. Okay. So if I could get like a phone that could do Maps and that was it, then I would snap it. But I think these phones, like, it's kind of all or nothing. Plus me typing in like fucking hiragana on the 9-pad keypad, that might be a little tricky for a guy like me. I'm gonna keep it 100. That might be a little bit tricky. But yeah, other than that, I would love to. I mean, I think what I need to do is just like dumbify my current phone and just like remove. I need to remove the like Safari. Need to get that off of there. I need to remove like YouTube Studio. Holy shit, yeah. After you quit your job, to spend a month riding only subways with no help. Honestly, big recommendation if you come to Japan. This is what I did the first time I visited Japan. So this is how I recommend you go to Japan. You're gonna land somewhere in Tokyo. You're gonna put all your stuff like in a hotel, right? You're gonna stave off the jet lag, right? You're gonna go from a hotel to a train station. You might be thinking, which train station? No. We don't do that. Go to a train station. Wait like 5 minutes for most likely the Marunouchi line to show up. Get on that. Wait about 5 stops. Get off. So you're going to get on the train. You're going to wait about 5 stops. Then you're going to walk off the train. Walk off. If you do this, you are now in a random part of Japan. Go to a cafe. This is the best way to experience Tokyo. 100%. Or just Japan in general. It's awesome. Now, are you going to walk into a store and be like, I've read all of Genki 1. I'm so ready for the conversation that's about to happen. And they're going to say, Tennai desu ka? And you're going to be like, what did you just say to me? And they're going to be like, takeout? And you'll be like, no. And then you're going to move on with your life. Yeah. That's how I recommend you experience Japan. Don't have a plan. Just get on a random train, get off a random train, go to a cafe. It's awesome. I counter, should I just get a K-tie? Okay, that just means phone. Azumas. I said, yo, Yag, what's up? Hello. Welcome in. Yeah, you hit him with the azumas. You don't have to say the whole thing. Literally, Japanese, you just have to stick the landing, okay? You want to say, like, Ohayo gozaimasu? No, that's too long. Azumas. Ohayo gozaimasu. Yoshiko onegaishimasu. Shitoshimasu. You just hit the mas part. Chillin'. You don't need the rest of that. Just stick the landing. Had the same feeling when someone asked me about a plastic bag for the first time. Okay, okay, we need to talk about the plastic bag situation because this shit is fucked up. Okay. In English, it's just bag, right? If you want a bag, it's just bag. Now, you might look up in Japanese what bag is, like at the grocery store. First thing you'll find is you'll get kaban. That's a horrible, yeah. You'll get kaban, which does not mean bag. So just when you see that one, ignore it, move on with your life. The second one you'll see is fukuro. Fukuro. This means bag. Sick, dude. So now, all I have to do is listen for the word fukuro, and that means bag. So I'm going to go to the kombini, I'm going to get my onigiri, and they're going to be like, fukuro? What do they say? Like, fukuro ni haite masu ka, or whatever. And you're going to be like, I know the word fukuro. Hi, onegaishimasu. Right? Right? Okay. Okay. Sometimes these motherfuckers hit you with the fukuro daijoubu desu ka? Now, if you were to directly translate that, it would be like, are you okay with a bag? So you would say like, yeah. Wrong, idiot. That means, are you okay without a bag? Oh, what the okay. That doesn't make any sense, but okay, sure. So if you say hi to that one, they're not going to give you a bag, even though you heard the word, you did the script correctly. So then level 2, you start listening for the daijoubu desu ka, right? Right. You're starting to lock in on that part. Yeah, okay. So if I hear fukuro and nothing else, I say yes. If I hear fukuro daijoubu and I say no, and then I get a bag, right? Okay, we're chilling. We're chilling. Problem. Sometimes you get hit with level 3 bullshit, which is regibukuro. There's something that funny that happens in Japanese where I'm not going to write the kanji in MS Paint, but if there's 2 kanji together, there's something called rendaku, I think, where the second kanji will transform the word. So in like fukuro, it's just like this. But if you put another word before fukuro, then it gets changed to bukuro because it just has a bad mouthfeel otherwise, I guess. I don't really know why that is the way that it is, but I'm not a linguist. I just study the language or whatever. And so you're listening for fukuro, but then sometimes they hit you with regibukuro, and then you're like, regibukuro? I didn't know that was a regi. I thought there was only steel, ice, and rock, and also electric, and also dragon, and also gigas, and also pool? Y'all ever seen Reggie Pool? Reggie Tube? Y'all ever see Reggie Tube? This is my favorite Reggie. Look at this guy. Oh yeah, that's a Pokemon. But anyways, Reggie Bowser. You could be getting this guy. Reggie Tube, yeah. Reggie Tube, dude. Anyways, I only thought there was those guys. Now all of a sudden, it's also a bag? That's crazy news to me. Just always say, give me a bag in response. Yeah, that one goes crazy. Yeah, if they're like, I mean, it doesn't, like, the conversation doesn't flow very well, but if they're like going real fast and they're like, rejibuku haitemasu ka? You're like, fukuro onegaishimasu. You can just go right to the, like, that's level 5 is you always just say like, yeah, bag me. Yeah. And then sometimes level 6 is they think that you don't speak Japanese, which, like, that's a fair assumption. I don't. But also, like, how rude of you to assume that I don't, by the way. Yeah, I mean, you're right, but still. They won't even say anything. And then you get to, like, one-up them and be like, sumimasen. Just like, excuse me, like, sumimasen. Fukuro onegaishimasu. Like, oh, shit. That's what you get for thinking I don't speak Japanese. Oh, got him. Yeah, I was doing a lot of hand motions there. I just realized I'm a PNG. That probably doesn't work, huh? I worked hard to get to level 6. Put some respect on my name, okay? I cleared Genki 1 and Genki 2, all right? Now, you don't get to go around thinking, ooh, who's this random guy that doesn't speak Japanese? Again, correctly. Because then level 7, you can't push it too far, right? If you flex too hard, all of a sudden you're in the fucking hot seat because they're going like, oh, you speak Japanese? And then they hit you with the native speed, native level, slang included, just a random spew of things that you've never even heard in your life before, and all of a sudden you got to go back to like, sumimasen, nihongo hanasemasen. Yeah, and then you seem like a real dumb idiot. Just for Ofudo when I need a bag. I'll never live it down. I'll never live it down. Would you like this in a bag? Actually, could you draw me a bath? It's not that kind of establishment, sir. We're going to have to ask you to take your things and leave. And they'll talk to you in English if you even give them the slightest hint that you're not fluent. I kind of vibe with that, honestly. I need your company to hire me, then I can do your Tokyo plan. We're hiring 80 like trillion people. Shogun, like send me your resume, brother. Only applies to you. I don't really know anyone else here. Well, I know some people here, but you know what I mean. I kind of like the vibe with the fact I get like I don't blame people for going in English mode because like 9 times out of 10 someone's English here is going to be better than my Japanese, especially when I first moved here. And like when I talk with my friends that live here, like that are fluent or that are Japanese or whatever, right? The conversation usually goes something like I speak in Japanese and they speak in English because like listening is harder than speaking in a lot of situations because listening is surjective and speaking is injective. Sky, what do you mean by that? If I'm speaking in Japanese, the vocabulary of words that I'm going to use are the words that I know. So I'm not hearing anything new or using anything new, right? I know I have the whole set of words in front of me. Whereas if I'm listening, I don't know the whole set of words that are going to be like coming at me. You know what I mean? They're going to say words that I don't know, and that's like harder for me to communicate. So if they speak in the English that they know and I speak in the Japanese that I know, it's the smoothest way for the conversation to go. After 18 hours, had the equivalent of 160 milligrams of caffeine in the form of zero sugar Dr. Pepper Cherry. Yo, cherry drinks go like crazy though. I love a good cherry Coke. I haven't had one in years, but like they go crazy. Oh yeah. There's so many tourists, they only speak in English. Yeah, I mean, yeah, it's a bit of a bummer, honestly, because like I think it goes a long way if you can just do like a little bit of Japanese, like if you like can at least like point to be like kore onegaishimasu, like that goes a lot further than just like coming in with full American accent being like, can I get the hamburger? Because like no one knows what that word, I mean maybe they'll get hamburger out of it, but like the word in Japanese sounds like the English word, but like without the accent it's actually kind of hard to figure it out. Okaike goes hard. I think that's not to pull rank, but I don't like, you would just say kaike because okaike, I think that's keiko, no? Cherry drinks go hard, but nothing goes harder than cheer wine. Ruby, you were spitting for that. Cheer wine actually goes fucking crazy. Cheer wine is like 10 out of 10. I want a cheer wine. Kind of want a cherry Coke now too. I don't really drink. The good news is I don't drink Coke ever, so I can like reward myself with one every once in a while. Because when you have a Coke every once in a while, like once a year, they go crazy. Holy shit. Same with fast food. Fast food, if you don't eat fast food ever and then you have McDonald's, it's like nectar from the fucking gods, dude. Holy shit. It's actually insane. If you have it like more than twice a week, it returns back to like the garbage slop that doesn't taste like anything. But like before, like if you haven't had a McDonald's hamburger in like 6 months, go eat a McDonald's hamburger. It tastes, it like lights up every taste bud in your entire mouth. It's incredible. And then like by bite 4, it has returned back to like paste or whatever. Who do you think is Hornet's best friend? The map drawing lady. I don't remember her name. Why can't I donate? It's okay. You don't need to do that. It's so hard not to constantly drinking soda or chips or Pocari Sweat like constantly through the heat. Pocari, I don't think is like that bad for you in the heat, honestly. As long as you need to drink like 2 to 1 water to Pocari. That you can't just drink Pocari or you'll die. You'll get kidney stones. Don't ask me how I know. It's fucking I'm so mad about that still. Whatever. Okay, I'm gonna take a quick break and grab some water because I've been yapping for a while. We're gonna play some ads. We're gonna come back and I think play some Skong. I think it's Skong time. Yeah, we're gonna play some Skong when I get back. Maybe not. Maybe we'll do. I kind of want to dev more, honestly. I'm gonna get water and I'll think about what I want to do. I might do like another hour of dev or something. Skull? What's skull? Lost my taste from COVID. Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that. Rarely eat fast food, anyways. That's you should be. I mean, you shouldn't eat it very. You should eat it like never. To be honest, I think even like one time is too many. But it goes. I might order Wendy's tonight actually. Because that shit goes. I haven't had fast food in like 6 months. It's gonna go fucking crazy. GZ's got to work. I'm so sorry to hear that. Send me your resume though, Shogun. I'm being serious. Ice machine and like sugar-free syrup. I can't do the sugar-free stuff, man. It messes with my tummy. Also, it tastes a little bit weird in my mouth. I might be a fake sugar hater. I apologize. That shit just tastes like a little funky. Oh, not skull. It's a drink found in vending machines in Japan. It's a type of milk drink. Oh, interesting. McDonald's Samurai Burger. I kind of don't fuck with McDonald's in Japan. Is that wrong? I think it tastes like the exact same as American McDonald's. I hate to be that guy. I'm sorry. Yeah. One of our restaurants is Sherma. Sherma, that's the map lady's name. Yeah, Sherma. Big fan of Sherma. Some people are really sensitive to the aftertaste of artificial sweeteners. That shit tastes like acid in my mouth, straight up. It starts good, and then it slowly converts into acid. Recent like monked fruit as a sweetener is better than stevia. Interesting. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna take a quick break. I need to drink a bunch of water. So my throat doesn't explode, and then I'll decide what to do. Do you fuck with KFC on Christmas? I have a story about that when I get back. I need to go get water though. My throat kind of hurts. All right, BRB. At time. What do you want in the background? What's y'all? You want keys? I'll do Subway Surfers today. Subway time. Sherma's not the map. Oh, Sherma's the singing lady. Right. My bad. There we go. Put the Subway. Yeah. Yeah. One of these days I should do Cocoa Melon. That shit probably goes crazy, huh? Enough to like one-shot the brain of every 5-year-old child. All right. BRB. Yo, dude, low key. Whoever recorded this video, they're ass at Subway Surfers. Dude, you seeing this? This is like this is tragic. He died when I got up, and then he died when I came back, sat back down. Dude was alive for 3 seconds. Yeah, the Subway guy is fumbling. Dude, I know he's like he don't have the sauce at all. What the fuck? Sheesh. It's like that was criminal. Train wreck. Think about me focus with baby sensory gameplay. I got you. We are the premier Subway Surfers stream. It's funny, just between ad breaks alone, we got through the entire 3-hour hardcore Minecraft video. Kind of sick, actually. Okay. I think it's relatively close to skonging time. I think it's skonging time. I think we're gonna skong. It's time for skong. I'm gonna change the category on Twitch. Bug. New player. Change it to skong. We're gonna play some silksong. Because it's the end of the stream. We're gonna play this game for a little bit. Pause the music. Chakra's the map lady. The thing about, like, I had the same problem with Dark Souls. If you have 2 characters in your game and they both start with the same letter, I am never keeping them apart in my head. It's just not possible. I'm not allowed to do it. I don't know how. It's literally impossible. Timer, by the way, is 108:54. So when we resume this tomorrow, it will be 108:54. There we go. Good to know. What were we doing last time, by the way? I should probably get the timer off the screen, huh? Get that out of there. Boop. I used to be a tea person. I kind of go back and forth on whether I'm a tea person or a coffee person, to be honest. They both have their merits. I kind of fuck with coffee more at the moment, but I go back and forth. The Skongler. Should I drink energy drinks to have something with a caffeine boost? Don't like actual coffee that much? That's fair, yeah. I respect that. Energy drinks, I just kind of don't like the sugar part of it. I feel like it just doesn't feel right on my stomach or whatever. I kind of low-key just got like the weakest stomach of all time ever. Come back here. Fight me. Oop. You know, I thought I could like parry that or something. What is this? Ooh, a rosary string. Hell yeah, dude. I love that for us. Oops. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oops. Whoa, 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 whoa. I need a sec to like warm back up on the jumps, the pogos. Yeah. Just like a quick little refresher on how it works. Put in. Up this side. This is more my side. I like this side better. I've always been a left side gamer, you know? Boop. Dude, pogoing is so sick in this game, actually. Alright, Bird, I need you with me. Artificial sweeteners monster. I kind of don't fuck with it. I'm more of like a Red Bull Andy, I think. I do really like it. Like a clutch timed Red Bull does go like crazy for me though. I did drink so many one time that I thought I was gonna have a heart attack though. So after that I've been like kind of toning it down a little bit. It wasn't a heart attack. It was just a panic attack that felt like a heart attack. Yo, Bird, where the fuck did... Yo, dude, where's my bird? Dude hates me. Over here, brother. I need you for the thing. They literally hate me. They literally hate me. Shame. What's this though? What's this? Oh, wait. Wait. What is this? I didn't see this last time. Oops. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it was gonna happen. Soup. Did you play Hungry Night? I've never heard of that before. Wait, what? I thought Hollow Knight was Team Cherry's first project. I didn't know that it wasn't. Hungry Night. Me when I'm... had something for this. What terrifying monster made that scary sound? Large bird. There's a large bird made that sound. He's actually kind of, he's a nice guy once you get to know him. He's just, you know, he smoked a lot of, he was a chain smoker back in the day. It's not a big deal. We all have our flaws. All right, what is this now? I kind of cleaned that guy with the pogo there, no? Yeah, edge. Wait, that's how you get up here? I was trying to get all fancy with the pogo. I didn't even need to do that. I was trying to pogo off a dude. I didn't even need. I could have just pogoed on terrain. The heck, man? I remember this. This is a good thing. What is it? What do I get? What's my price? Find. Yeah. I'm silking so much song right now. The red storm. Attack by whipping a storm of silk around oneself. Silk skills can be equipped in the crest menu. Oh. What is, okay. Silk storm. Uh-huh. Okay. Ah! Oh, it's like a sneak attack. Is this just free stuff for playing? Well, it's been fun, everybody. I guess there's nothing else up here, huh? I was hoping for a little more, but I'll take it. Maybe there's something off to the right here? Let's check the map. Oh, nope, map doesn't really work here. This is the place I was trying to get to, yeah? Is there something else here? Oh, I think so, actually. I think I saw something. Nope. No, I tapped the button twice. Dang it. Oh, hey, guy. I didn't realize you were, like, still existing in the world. Ow! So aggressive. Why? I literally did nothing to you. Why do they hate me? Gonna drift off to the right here. Oh, stuff. There's stuff. Take it. Yeah, what is it? 3-fold pin. I don't know what that is, but sick. Yeah. You know, the Hornet had a lot of... Wait, what? Walls? Okay, I think I've gotten everything that I can get from over here. Maybe there's something off to the right still. I just fly... Oh! This looks like something off to the right. Oh my god, I got pieced up. Wait, holy shit. They had the anti-pogo tech. I wasn't ready for it. Next steel dash attack. Yeah. Edge. Alright, what's down here? I hear someone like... It's a little guy. I have to save the little guy. Gimme. Gimme. What the heck? You're just like a little mouse. Oh my god. Okay, my bad. I will free you. Yeah. Oh. That's over here. What? That's a one-time Andy? I didn't know that, man. How was I supposed to know? Oh, that's a secret. That's a secret door if I've ever seen one. That's. You tell me this isn't a secret door? Lorna can throw her needle 50 yards. Damn, get her into like the fucking major leagues. What the fuck? That's an insane arm. Alright, well, I guess that's it. All this place has to offer, I suppose. Thanks, everybody. See you later. Thanks for the ride. And we're out of there. Zoop. Wait, where did... Map? No more map? Why? Also, like, that was my bench. What the fuck? where am I supposed to bench out to now? This is as high as I can get over here. Yeah, I think so. Unless there's something... Oh, there's stuff over here. Okay, hang on. Hold. Seems like a ding-dong. Big bell. Yeah! Let's go! What does that actually do for me? A bench! Alright, let me check the old items here. So I got a new thing. I got the Red Storm. I'm gonna try it. Let's give it a shot. Try it out. For rapid light attacks, crafted to be thrown in a set. Oh, it's the same one as the birds. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Yeah, my bad. Thank you. Cool. Any more, huh? I can be the birds. I love being the birds. I don't know what that does for me, but does that just help me get up slightly easier? Okay. There's probably a way to get higher up, but I don't know it. That's a one-time Andy. Okay. I guess we go left now to see what we can see. I don't know what these signs mean. I think left means a village, though, perhaps? Inspect. 80 rosaries? Ah, sure. I mean, I got the thing for it. Why not? Boop. This just gives me another bench, though. Yeah, there's like literally a bench right over to the other side of the thing. I understand everything. Bit of a waste on my rosaries, but that's all right. I know where to get more. Oh, you got little weapons. That's cool. Oh, what is this? What does this thing do? Wait, how do I use the new silk bind thing? I thought it was... Oh, I don't have enough silk yet. Okay, alright, we can go down or we can go up. I'm gonna try up first, I guess. What's up here? More water. Okay. Oh, my bad. Oops. Edge. I'm a little too obsessed with pogoing now, I think. Sky chat delay is 4 minutes. Burger King was putting estrogen in their Impossible Whopper? What? Also, like... If you think that affects, like, your own hormonal balance, like, come on. The amount of estrogen they'd have to be putting in that... Insane, no? What's over here? 1,000 birds. Oh, literally 1,000 birds. They're all attacking me at once. Oops. No! I need you. I understand everything. I understand everything. Hold on. Hold. Hold. I need you over here. Friend. Like right here for me. Right. No, it killed him. Why did it kill him? Dang it. I need a new bird. Anybody got a new bird? I need to get up there, dude. I could do it. I could pogo it. Hold. Running it back. My transition just gets you an ungodly amount of whoppers. Let's go! What's up here? Cool stuff? Free loot, perhaps? No? Shiny thing! Yeah, dude! Give me that! I am so lucky I am not dead. Legitimately, how? No, I missed it. Okay, I'm in danger. I'm in danger. I'm gonna try to find something I can snack on for a moment. Do me a favor. All right, cool. Chilling. It's over here. Something I can't come back from. Where are we now? Oh, we're at the top, like, part of the park. Okay. Zoop, zoop, zoop. I'm gonna take this a little slow so I have time to, like, explore. We're gonna kill all the enemies. Oops. One thing that I think Beast Form might have on regular Silk thing is, like, the ability to actually, like, recharge more off regular enemies seems pretty rad. Anything up here, actually? Wait, literally no? Question mark? Wait, is there literally nothing? Why am I even here? What is this room, dude? Oh, wait, I bet this is the way you're... Oh, I bet I'm at the top with... I think I understand. I think you're supposed to go that way to get to this place. I bet. And then where do you go from here? Maybe? Is that true? Or maybe... No, maybe you go right then? And I skip the whole room and I'm supposed to be out to the right side of everything? Let's see what's out to the right. I'm assuming I don't, like, drown at some point, right? Anything up here? No. What's up to the right, though? Can I already get to that platform, though? Is that a new platform? I'm kind of in, like, an above spot here. So maybe not. Yeah, I don't think I've been up here. Oops, 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 oops. No, no, no. Alright, there's, I only need one of you. One of you has to die. I apologize. Oh, I might not even need one of you. Wait, what the heck? I can't see, dude. Okay, I need to, like, chill for a sec. What's up here? This seems like a boss thing. I know I need to reheal before this. Didn't change your YouTube stream title. It's too annoying on YouTube to change everything. It's fine. Well, I guess we'll just be one health Andes on the boss. I don't know. This looks like a boss place, though. Oh, maybe not. Let me open that up. I don't know what that does for me. Makes... I should not have hit that. I regret hitting that. There's no floor now. Bruh. Oh, we're so cooked, though. Not cooked. Thank you for your sir. Oh, you can fly. I thought I cooked you. There's not a lot of platform to work with, admittedly. Dude. Stop fucking flying around, it's so annoying. Okay, got him. Whew. Judge my opponent is cheating, they can fly. Dude, real. Honestly, it's disrespectful. Not the correct direction. I don't want to kill you because I don't know if I need a pogo. I don't think I need a pogo here. If I do, I can respawn the room, I guess. Oh, maybe I do. No, I can go to the right? No, that was it. I do need a pogo, though. Shit, man. Oh, you can do it off the guy, though. Alright. We need to just... We're in mission critical mode now. I don't know if he's got enough silk on him, though. I don't know if it's going to be enough. Dude, calm down! You little bastard! Oh my god. God damn it. Well, where am I? Oh, we gotta go all the way back up there, huh? How did we get up there? We went here. And then we pogo. We went all the way to the right, and then we pogoed up. Oh, that's a long run back. Sheesh. Ah! Continue attempting sprites after you. Yeah. Appreciate it. Well, that's down. I want to go down yet. This is a complicated run back for sure. But hopefully it's worth it. I also feel like I may be just in like places that just use the... Oops. Ah, my bad. Drink water, please. Okay. Left, not right. Souls lost. I don't care. Literally money means nothing to me in these games. Don't need it. What I'm gonna do, buy more maps? I already have the maps. Who cares? Zoop. This guy's kind of got my number, huh? Doesn't care about money. What are you, a communist? I mean, I was gonna say it, but I appreciate the shout out, you know? Okay, now we need to pogo this guy. Over here for me? Yeah. Thank you, sir. I'm kind of fresh with the pogos, dude. I'm getting sick with them. My hyperbolic time chamber of the... Was it like Hunter's March or something? Should serve me well. Alright, here you just waltz on over to the right. Yeah, nothing. It ain't serious. No. It's serious. It ain't serious. Oh, it's serious. No. Frimk. Oh, that was just a dumb input. If I want to dodge that guy, I gotta jump a little bit later. Six seconds for the Hornet and Rule 34 any percent. Didn't need to know that, but well, I don't really appreciate it either. I was gonna say I appreciate the knowledge, but that wouldn't be true either. Is that the only bird? Where's the other bird? He's abandoned his friend. The heck? I mean, that's where is the money? No one asks how is the money. A lot, actually, people get shot for asking how is the money, to be fair. A little bit of a, like, dictator taboo. I appreciate the burden of knowledge. I might be built different, because, like, I don't... Maybe that's why I haven't enjoyed Silksong as much as I've enjoyed Hollow Knight. It wasn't that, like, I had already played a Hollow Knight game, even though I think this game is fantastic. I think it might be the one that, like... It might be the difference that I don't really want to fuck the bugs. You're not the only one cursed with knowledge. Fuck. Wait, it was literally a one-time try because now there's no floor? What do you... I would literally get one try ever? I can't go back now? What? What do you mean? Let me back up, dude. What? This is a double jump only Andy? Or it's the wall jump only Andy? Really, man? What the fuck? I literally... Oh, come on, man. I wanted to sequence break a little bit. Can I undo? Can I, like, reverse the thing? Is there any way I could, like, make that? No, there's no. That thing is so fucking long. There's no shot. I guess I need the... I guess I'm locked out of heaven or whatever. That's a bummer. Man. Oh, well. I guess if it's not me anymore, it's not me. Still fresh with the pogos, though. Can't take that away from me. What's in here, huh? Can't use the map in water. That makes a lot of sense, actually. I'll give it up. Ooh, give me that. A bone scroll. What the fuck is a bone scroll? It's just a thing. Alright, good to know. Anything over here? Secret door, perhaps? Me when there's a secret door? Let me in? God, they literally hate me, dude. Alright, well, that's that area explored. I guess we're gonna keep going left. Left moment. Bone Scroll Kama Sutra. You'll die for that, traveler. So I like can't get in here, huh? Bit of a bummer. And I can't go the other way that I wanted to go. That's kind of a bummer. Cause you freaks won't let me pogo anymore. Okay, let's try it down here, maybe? Oh, they let me in. They love me. They love me. Warmth of your hearth is welcome. Rowdy old warrior stopped through not long back, caused quite a scene. Now a young lass has taken up lodging in my top room. Oh, is it our friend? Is it our girl? The bench. Oh, who the fuck? Jesus Christ, who the hell is this? You are an adult, yes, fully grown, ready to hunt. For her, you would seek a Fairloom's many fabulous bugs and cut them. Oh, Jesus Christ. Fill its pages. Bugs of Farloon. Yeah, sure. Wish promised. Hunt down the creatures of this land and record them in the scroll. Oh, it's like I got a Pokédex. Hell yeah, dude. We love Pokédex. Go now. Hunt and pray. Okay. I was told that there was someone like taking a nap somewhere though. Where would that person be, perhaps? Up here, perchance? How the frick do I get up there though? Has anyone asked, are you a furry? No, but I saw in my YouTube like suggestions the other day. It like gives you ideas for YouTube videos. And one of them was how to deal with being a VTuber furry. Which, you got the wrong guy, but like, I appreciate the video idea, I guess. Boss time? Boss time! You're next, huh? Yeah? Big man. What you got for me? Oops. Ooh, you're like sneaky with it. Okay. Ah! Come back here. Oh, you're like a little dodgy guy, huh? Alright, kinda cool, kinda sick. Oops. Alright, that's my bad. Oh my god. Dude, Dude, he's going worm mode on me. Ow, dude. Brick off. Oh, okay. Well. Wait, really? That was an entire boss? What? I felt... Okay. Just like a mini boss or something, huh? I see the line. I see the line. I don't see the line. Try that again. God damn it. Alright, one sec. You want to reset him? Zoop. How do you deal with being a VTuber furry? You got the wrong guy. I don't know. I guess with lots of denial would be my first suggestion. Oops. They're giving out free stuff out here. Yeah. I don't think I need you for this one, do I? Pretty sure I can just, yeah. Yo, I'll be with you in just a moment. I'm busy. Alright, bad pogo, my bad. What? We weren't even this like the same dimension on that one. It's Gwen? Huh? Who's Gwen? Oh, yeah, League of Legends Gwen. Kind of sick character design on Gwen, honestly. I think Gwen is like a super sweet design. I don't really like playing against her on the whole kind of whole Gwen is immune bullshit, but not super fucking with that part. But everything else, I think she's like a very cool design. What the fuck was that, bro? That was terrifying. Ooh, what is this? Some free stuff. Let me in. I'll get you yet. Yeah. Is it pogo time? Can I poke? No shot that that's a pogo, I don't think. Such a cute fella. Cobalt, avert your eyes. What I'm about to do may upset you. The heck is this? Yo, your water wheel has like spikes on it. That's not like engineered properly at all.
Oh, hola. Oh, Yama.
Who dares walk brave Garmon from his well-needed kip?
Buenera.
Oh, yeah, okay, we're chilling.
Mamido.
Bravest of knights, if directed challenge were offered, honor would see noble Garmon accept.
Yama.
I'm still sleeping off something of an altercation myself. Alright, well, have a good nap, brother.
Da, fenestra.
Samia Samasa.
Mine is a sacred quest. Not for its gifts, nay, sister. We seek its rulers to demand their answer. I like this guy. Yeah, that's kind of activism I'm into. I'm not here for the adventure. I'm here to call out some politicians. Fuck y'all doing up there? We ain't got no healthcare down here. An answer for that. Get an old man heartless. He started. What the fuck? Oh, you can go through walls, huh? But I'm not allowed to? Okay, good to know. Motherfucker really said platform, not my business, huh? Okay. My bad. Yo, what's up, Alifa? Welcome in. How you doing? Ah! I had it. I had it perfect. Oh wait, I don't need to go up here anymore. Oh. I can just go left mode. Oh, hey guy. Another one of you. Okay, good to know. First time silksong? It is. I'm having a great time with it. Zoop. Someone sounds like they're like having. They need like a CPAP machine up here, but other than that, this place is pretty cool. Gwen's gameplay for the enemy. Gwen is immune. Gwen is immune. Gwen is immune. Gwen is immune. I can't get down there, video game. The fuck do you mean my thing's down there? Oh, just kidding. I can get down there actually. Is the thing. You two are just you're real proud of the whole scissors thing, and I can respect that, honestly. I really can, but like, there's a time and a place. Ooh, more stuff. He's pulling his silk. Boss time, boss time, boss time, boss time, boss time, boss. Chapel of the Reaper. Oh, I hope I get to fight the Reaper. Spiky thing. Can I pogo off this? Oh, you're gonna have to go in the right direction, but otherwise I think the theory is sound. That didn't... I heard the bloop, and it didn't count. I guess they're not pogoable? They're 100% pogoable. Okay, I don't know why that didn't work the first time. Let me out, let me out. Okay. Oh, hey, guy. Ah! Okay, see ya. Oh, my bad. Oh, we're cooked. Gotta go be back. So, hey, take your time. I'll be here. Dying to Scissor Man. I gotta figure out Scissor Man. Guy from the clock tower? No, you're so right for that. Okay, apparently I don't have the sauce anymore on the pogos. There we go. I'm just gonna go ahead and gracefully glide to the left, ignoring all of the enemies at the bottom of the screen because they're smelly and I don't like them. Look at that. We're there. Should I be fighting all the enemies on the way up? Honestly, I don't know. I don't think there's an improper way to silksong. Kinda just seems like a waste of my time, you know? They're just gonna respawn. I do need some silk. Ow! Okay, fair enough. See you later. You play Hollow Knight? I did. I didn't finish it, I think. I got very, very far into it, and I just got busy with other stuff. But I really, really, really enjoyed it. It was a good time. I think I'm actually tipping towards having a better time with silksong than I am with Hollow Knight very slowly. I think that is my current opinion. This game it's just so fucking good, dude. I like the diagonal pogo. I didn't like it for a while, but I did. Let me see if I can pull a map out. So here in Hunter's March, this this area up at the top here, where there's like a pogo, I did it over and over and over and over and over and over again, and I got really good at the pogo. So I kind of fuck with it now. But when I was doing it, it took me like an hour or so to get like the pogo down. But now I think it's really fun. Big fan. Now that I'm good at it. Before I was good at it, I hated it. But now that I'm good at it, I quite like it. Open up, please. Open up, please. Open up, please. Okay, thank you. I wasn't panicking. Were you panicking? All right, Edward Scissorhands. More like Edward Loser Hands. I was hoping for a better delivery on that. Edge. Take his scissor. What do you mean there's two of you now? I'm getting cooked. Somehow none of that hit me. It's a miracle. It's actually a Christmas miracle. What's next? Oh, Big Snake Man again. Big Snake Man. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm busy at the moment. Dude, stop throwing shit. Where are you getting more spears from? You're like it's the size of you. It's not like you have an inventory. Man's pockets are the size of like the Andromeda Galaxy. What the fuck? Ah! I didn't mean it. Let's be friends. Let's be friends. I was lying. I don't want to be friends with you at all. Oh shit, we're not done. Man, this is just the pogo zone. Ah! I got pieced up. Dude, they hate pogoing here. Got him. Got him. Elevator, yeah. Let's go. I love elevators. And towers. And scissors? Claim? What do you mean claim? That's a fucking bug. I'm supposed to claim a bug? I'm back. I was here for the non-existent silk room. They didn't trap you in because you weren't crazy once. True. I was never crazy. I wasn't crazy once. They never trapped me in a room. A silk room with bugs, and the bugs didn't make me crazy. That's my bug now. Oh, what do you mean bind? That's a living creature. What the fuck do you mean? I can't bind. What am I binding to? Huh? I just killed somebody. Bound the crest of a reaper. Attack with heavy arcing slashes that reap additional silk from enemies. To change crest? Okay. It like does it automatically though for me right now, yeah. I literally just took that man's life. What about pound bars? No. Oh, this thing is heavy. What the heck? Am I in like sick ass mode? Why is my screen like all whoosh whoosh? This might be the crest Pam was talking about. Is this one good or something? Sounds beefy. It does. It's got good sound design. I'll give it up. Ah! There's the thing. I want the, oh, that's the exit. I don't need the exit yet. I'm gonna go. I think there was something down here too. Was there? A little spicy for me. Secret room, 100% secret room, secret room, secret room text, secret room, secret room, secret room. Secret room over here, secret. They literally hate me. They literally hate me. They hate me. They don't want me to have a single secret ever. What is the downward slash on the? Yeah, my pogoing, it don't work no more. I don't know if I can handle this. Prefer this crest that has nice range and the pogo is better. I don't know. I feel like I'm very used to that diagonal pogo. I think this one might trip me up getting used to it. Oh, but it's beefy. Oh my lord. Yeah, idiot. What are you gonna do about that, huh? That's a thick pogo. Holy shit. Damn, there's so many rosaries. They love me, dude. What are the infinity rosaries? Did you see the delay in the pogo, though? Oh, that's true, yeah. Bit of a... What do you mean? What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Yeah, do I not have, like, a compass here? Where the frick am I? Hit that? Hit that snare? Me when I'm quoting Paramore, I guess? Literally, where am I right now? I'm not on the map? We're off the map? I was gonna say I'll go hit the bench, but like, not really doing much for me. Village is to the left, huh? Unlimited rosaries, but no games. I dare you to listen to a song called Lonely Lonely. Well, I've never heard of that before. I'm gonna go down, I guess. See if I can get that big bird to talk to me more. He seems like a cool guy. Updraft, they love me. Where am I right now? Why is the map non-functional? Why don't the map work? I'm supposed to be on that thing. Where the flip am I? Well, I saw it and I just didn't react in the slightest. Don't know why. Damn, this thing is thick. Inspect. Litany of the work. Okay. Yeah, man. I was gonna me when I'm litanying my workers. Do me a favor, just oh shit. Whoa. Okay, well, fool me once, you know. Huh. Oh, okay. We're good. We're safe. Can't see shit. I'm just gonna keep wandering. I don't know. I'm playing Go to the Left simulator. Okay, don't like whatever that noise was. Big man. Oh my god. That did how much damage? Holy shit. He like one-tapped me, dude. I'm playing this like safe as hell. Are you kidding me? You did 4 damage to me? That's insane. Oh, I shouldn't have. That was my only source of light, huh? Let me check the map. No fucking clue where I am. Okay, sick. Love that. All that for a little loot. He's so cute. Cobalt, no. No. That's incorrect opinion detect. Alright, we continue. No, you cheeky little motherfucker. Putting a bear trap down. Why are you putting... There's no bears. What are you putting a bear trap down here for? That's just like impractical placement, if I'm being honest. Inefficient use of resources, 5-yard penalty. My bad, you didn't deserve that. Jesus Christ. Big man. Oh, it's only 3 damage. I thought it was 4. Secret room, secret room, secret room, secret room, secret room. Oh, I'm a genius. Okay, legit though, where the fuck am I? Bench? Instant rosaries? Absolutely. What are your thoughts on Delta Song, Hollow Rune, and Team Cherry Fox? Dude, I loved Undertale. Isn't that shit like 10 years old now or something? That's crazy, because that game like just came out, right? Yeah, I'm playing a beat. Don't give names to the cattle. She litany my workers till I... Oh, sorry, I got distracted. Call the boy. Didn't want / need to feel old again. Cobalt, you were like 7 when the game came out. It doesn't count. I was like a fully formed adult. This is like my PlayStation 2. I love this little guy. I'm gonna hit a bench real quick. Just so I have like a better checkpoint, I guess. Because I can go to bone bottom and then hit a bench. Hit a bench. And I hit him with the... Hit him with the... Boop, boop. Get me out of here. Deltarune Chapters 3 and 4 came out like 2 months ago. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Where's the bench? Bench! Moving on. Where's the bell? Wait, is this is the bell cave, right? Yeah. I'm an old man. It's true. I'm kind of unk now. It's okay. I thought he was dead. I was going to fucking lose it. I was going to find the developers, come to their house, and lightly tap them on the shoulder, and then ask them to unkill the guy. Back to Greymore. That's me. You want more me? Go over to Twitch so there's less delay. I think there's about the same delay. It's just that I'm also playing a game, so I'm not the best at reading chat. I apologize. Okay, do we have like... Where the fuck am I, dude? Why won't it tell me where I am on the map? Am I going crazy? Am I like not... The tool got the compass is unequipped. I'm so stupid. Because I got a new I understand everything. Wise man, experienced man, distinguished man. I would say I do feel like I might be in my wisdom arc. Like I feel like I might be whiz maxing. Because I think like 6 years ago I had a wisdom score of like, I don't know, generously 4. And like now I feel like we're getting to like a 10. I got a ways to go for sure, but like I'm feeling it a little bit. I hate to be this guy, but like I'm kind of just feeling like the regular Andy. I don't know. I feel like Hunter is just me. I feel like Hunter's just me. Already charisma max too hard? No, trust me. There was no charisma maxing. That's not a... I think for a while I was dex maxing though, like with rock climbing and running and everything. I feel like my dex is probably my highest skill. Right, I mean, who's still hip with the kids? Yeah, Viridian. Yeah. You're definitely Skibidi. It's funny to me when I say Skibidi wrong. Because if you read it, it's like Skibidi. It's like when people would like, hey, did you see this like funny meme I found? That's a fucked up sentence. Okay, so I was down in like the fucking dungeon pits. I need to go back to the left, I guess. There's big worm. Big worm! Okay, let me go this way. Do the kids still say swag? You think, yeah, no, they still say swag. When something's cool, you call it boss. Like, wow, that was pretty boss. When Sky Gray played the video game really well, that was pretty boss, dude. Oh, I'm gonna throw up in my mouth. I'm gonna go to the left. We're gonna be left maxing. We're gonna be left. Oh, it's you! It's more wing. Ah, you kind of seem like you have less wing, honestly. Oh, you're cute. Yeah, you're real cute with. Oh my god, a ball! Yeah, more wing, more like, more difficult bosses, please. You know what I'm saying? What is it? Look at this little idiot. I bet you don't even have a phase 2. Ah! Oh, I'm a genius, actually. Oh, my bad. Didn't poke him. Put in. I didn't have the space to pogo. That sucks. There we go. Man, they really said mono pogo area, huh? Ah! Okay, wow. Okay, my bad, brother. I was not familiar. Don't touch me. Don't. I'm busy. Okay, we're good. Wait. Let's go to the skies together, brother. I'm stupid. I'm literally just stupid. I'm stupid. Is this how your game turned out? Yeah, we built this. Where'd your crest go? Nah, I wasn't fucking with it. Yeah, what's up, anime? What is this delay? What do you mean? What are you talking about? That was not very cash money. I think I could have got that in one. I think I was being a little too hasty. What I wanted to do is go to like the heavens with that guy. Like I wanted to pogo on him so hard that like both of our bodies ascended to the top levels of like the entire map or whatever. Grody to the max? I'm not Grody, I'm not. Nope. I think it's just like right down here, right? What is that thing? Hey, that thing's been like on a bunch of the maps since. I hope that wasn't expensive. All right, we just go to the right. We just go left maxing. Is Grody 80s really? Grody feels like slightly more recently. I feel like that'd be like more like groovy territory. I want to ride to the heavens with you. Okay, well, fuck me, I guess. Okay, apparently it's just not in the cards for me to be able to do that. I so violently think that it is possible. Bop, 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 bop. Ow, ow! Oh my god, that is an insane combo, brother. Color me impressed. Oh, you almost baited me in with it. You cheeky little guy. Are you summoning allies? Is that the allies summoning cry? Oh, they don't let you. Okay, that's why he falls to the ground, by the way. I understand now. Oops. Oh, shit. Okay, let's heal. Let's heal. No, 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 no. Okay, that's kind of sick, actually. I'll give it up. That was kind of cool. Ah! My bad. My bad, my bad, my bad, my bad. I asked why that popped into your head of all things. Wait, what do you mean? Bodacious? Bodacious. That's just a good word. TBH. Bodacious goes crazy. It's hip to fuck bees. That's a great music, or it's a great song though. Take me back to Greymore. Low key by Felicia. I use low key. It might be like my most used word ever. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, the YouTube bitrate gets real crunchy for some reason. I don't know why. Don't say that IRL. Low key on God. I don't like on God. I'm not really fucking with on God. I just like. It's not that I'm like anti-pious or anything. It just doesn't hit for me. I don't know. On God, on God. Okay, well, whatever. Bye, Felicia brings back memories. How about this one? You ready for this one? Oppa Gundam style. Yeah, you remember that one? Yeah, that one's fucking. That's pulling some shit from the archives. And I'm like, forget you. Yeah, that's yep. That's how we all learned how radio censorship works. Yeah, like Grandpa style or whatever. Like the parody started going crazy. Fuck you, guy. It doesn't work. It's pogo or nothing there. It's nerf or nothing, I'm afraid. They hate me. They literally hate me. Ah! Oh my god, that sounded expensive. Dude, like literally, what are you yelling about? You're not even summoning extra dudes. You're just being annoying. I got greedy. That's on me. The double attack's kind of sick, actually. I'll give it up. Woo! What comes around, huh? And you die already, man. I a little bit panicked there, but it kind of worked out actually. No. Gonna come back? Oh, it didn't come back. Wait, what? That one comes back. Yeah. Okay. Oops, 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 oops. That's I like this one. That one's cool. Got him. Wait, he's one hit there? Wait, why? Huh? Got you. That was not a... That might have been like the easiest boss so far, I'm not gonna lie. So many bells! I'm in Bell Land. Where am I? Oh, cutscene! Cutscene, cutscene, cutscene. This infectious goo. Scene from Adventure Time with the little deer in it? What's going on here? What the fuck? Haunted Bell Heart. Well, that's terrifying. I'm gonna go ahead and rest. Can I like free? Nope. Okay, they're just part of the foreground. Well, this is, Harlem Shake. That's a vile thing to say with what's going on here. This is, uncomfortable. Huh. I'm gonna go, I'll be back. Y'all just keep doing that. Wait, what the fuck? Just hanging out? I'm sure there's like an upgrade or something that I received for killing the boss, though. No? They literally hate me, dude. It is the deer scene from Adventure Time, though, straight up. This is horrifying. It's definitely not, like, pleasant. Inspect. Yeah, take the, oh, I don't have it. I don't have that kind of cash on me. I apologize. You know what else I apologize for? Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I think that's going to be it for me tonight. I have to go make a video now of us. That's ReggieTube. I have to go make a video now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm gonna try to switch the schedule so that I make the video pre-stream, but I gotta like be fucking fast on it if I want to do it that way. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, let me go here. Let me go here. Was a good time. A good time was had by all. Well, at least for me. I can't really speak for you. That'd be improper. Yeah, had a good time. I'll be back tomorrow. I might be a little bit late tomorrow. I think maybe I'll be fine. I actually don't. Yeah, we'll see. At about time, I want my money back. Okay, yeah, just contact PayPal. Just go ahead and do a chargeback. That way we all lose like $25. Where does that money go to if it's a charge? It's fine. I was gonna go for most of the stream. I'm crying right now. This is literally the only time I'm allowed to stream. I have to go to bed. I have to go get some sleep. We'll pass off to. Let's see if there's another silksonger. We had a good time in the last one. We rated a silksonger. Is there a VTuber? I mean, is there a VTuber? Of course, there's a VTuber. There's nothing but VTubers. Welcome to Twitch in current year or whatever. We can go. There's another blonde cat boy. Yeah, he does. He does look like me. And also, I know something that I shouldn't know about. I'm not gonna flex, but like, did you like follow age? No. They followed us yesterday. I recognized that name from the follower list yesterday. Good rate there. I don't like rating up though. It feels icky. Feels icky. Feels gross. I'm not gonna do it. It feels like very. Shout me out, please. So we'll go somewhere else. Awesome VTuber. I like Australia. I have another streamer in Tokyo that streams from like 1 a.m. to 8 a.m. often. That's what's the name? I don't know if they're on right now. I'm gonna go to another skonger though. Backtracking because I don't know. That's real. I respect that. They have a little plushie. Whoa, 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 chill. Look. Look. They have a. It's so cute. Yo, they ain't wearing no clothes though. They gotta get on that. We'll go here because they have a cute little plushie. Also, they just died, and I think that's funny. He has a hybrid job. I have a job that's full remote, and it's all flex time, but I still like to have like a somewhat normal sleep schedule on account of not wanting to never hang out with my friends or whatever. We'll go here. All right, that's it for me, though. It's a detailed model. Everyone literally has better like modeling and rigging than I do. We do the best that we can with the information that we have. You know what I'm saying? We'll go over here. If you're on YouTube, it doesn't work. I'm sorry. It just doesn't work. There's no raid on YouTube. You'll just have to go watch Minute Physics or something. I don't know. Mine looks good too. I appreciate that. Thank you. All right. I'll stop yapping. I gotta go edit. Bye. I'm not icky. You're icky. It's just me and you now, YouTube. Goodbye.